Here's a really old book for beginners on intermediate algebra. In this short video, we're just going to take a very brief look at this super old book. Look how old and run down it looks. It's called Intermediate Algebra and was written by Charles P. McKee. I feel like I have other editions of this book. And look how old this is. Wow. It looks like it's been through a lot. So that's all red on the inside. Interesting. I can't wait to smell it and see what it smells like. Charles P. McKee, Cuesta College. Check the copyright. Wow, 1979. There we go. Let me zoom in here so we can get a better look at that. By Academic Press, Inc. I feel like I have other books by Academic Press. I don't know if they still exist. It's kind of cool. Here it talks about, this is to the instructor. This book grew out of my experiences teaching intermediate algebra at Cuesta Community College in San Luis Obispo. Cool. Yeah, it's a fun class to teach. I've taught it a few times. I've taught college algebra a lot more than intermediate. For me, college algebra, despite teaching, differential equations and calculus and honors calculus, there's something about teaching students who are just learning. It's just, you really learn to appreciate the struggle. You see some people really work hard, and it's inspiring. So it starts with, I gotta smell it, sorry. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, this is an incredible, it's got one more whiff. Oh, wow. It's got that old comic book smell. I used to collect comic books, and it has that great smell. Oh, I love the smell. I'm gonna do one more whiff. This has to be one of the best smelling books I own. I kid you not. I am so happy with this book, with the smell. I should do some of these problems. First degree equations and inequality. So basic stuff, you see. This is a book for someone who is just getting started. So if you don't know any math and you want to learn basic algebra, you could use something like this to get started. So look at this, conic sections. This is typically taught in pre-calculus today. And this stuff here, relations and functions. I mean, this is logarithms. That's college algebra typically. So is this. And sequences and series, that today is typically a pre-calculus topic. And this does have answers to the odd numbered exercise and chapter tests. Very nice modern feel to the book, even though it's from '79. It's got different colors. It's got some graphs. A lot of the older books don't have graphs. Like my books, they're newer, but they don't have graphs. Yeah, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I like this. Pretty impressed. I bet this book is really cheap too. If I remember, I'll try to leave a link in the description because, I mean, who buys these books, right? Nobody except me. Or people who want to learn, right? So yeah, this book is probably really inexpensive. And like, it's not that advanced. A lot of times the advanced books will cost more, but oh, look at this. It's pretty cool. Finding determinants. Yeah, pretty cool. I've got a bunch of books here too, by the way. My books are pretty good. They have like full solutions to all the problems, and all the links are in the description in case you want to check them out. But yeah, just wanted to show you this book. And I have courses too, math courses. Check those out, mathsorcerer.com. But yeah, pretty cool. Nice old book. One more whiff here before I end this video. Smells amazing. Anyways, take care.